Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I'm going to show you around this 2007 Mercedes-Benz 115 Vito extra long Traveliner. That's a mouthful in itself. Now this is a 2007 car. The last keeper bought it in November of 2010, so they've had it just over 13 years. Very lightly used. If you look at the MOT history on it, you'll see that it's probably only been doing 2,000 miles a year whilst they've been using it. So not a highly used vehicle at all. Now we took it in part exchange on a newer version of it, to be fair. But this is a very nice car all round. Just done over 100,000 miles, so not daft mileage whatsoever, but in very nice condition. So let's have a look around it. So the vehicle's riding on the optional extra of the 17-inch alloy wheels. They're in tidy order. Externally, the vehicle's got fully colour coding to the bumpers. We've got the roof bars and the mud flaps. They're all extra. But as I say, front end, you've got, obviously, as one can expect, being a 17-year-old vehicle, we're going to have some stone chipping on it. But other than that, the paintwork's in great order. A very nice vehicle throughout. Now, I do believe this vehicle was repainted by Mercedes-Benz. It started life as a silver vehicle, but then was painted metallic black when it was new for a customer, as you can probably expect, probably on a limousine type of job. Now this vehicle has got the chrome door handles, as you can see, and as we get round the back we will have the chrome rear tailgate trim. So a very luxurious vehicle this, and when you get inside you'll see why. Now externally we've got a tailgate rather than obviously doors. Now if I pop that up, with it being the extra long, you do get all of that boot space as well. So this has got 9 seats in it, so 8 passengers and the driver, but you've also got, look at all that boot space, huge amounts of boot space. So an ideal vehicle if you're into your outdoor pursuits, then it's a super vehicle for that. But you don't see these very often. You don't see them at all. Paintwork, as I say, is in nice condition all through. Limited really dents etc on the vehicle with it being in black. Nice set of mud flaps on it from Mercedes, and then as I say the wheels are all in really clean order. Now opening this particular driver's door, you'll see that we've got the grey leather seats. Now that's 3 seats in the front. It comes with electric windows and electric door mirrors. We've got 2 keys there for it, and it's got a set of tailored mats in the front. Now I do like this little seat here that pops down, and you've got a drinks holder and a pen holder for the driver. As I get in the van or the Traveliner, we've got 101,575 miles to be exact. Now I'll fire her up for you, so there's no warning lights on it. I drove the vehicle, it's in lovely condition, it drives really well for one of these. We'll service the vehicle before it leaves Alpha Motors in Wigan. Now coming down the centre, we do have a CD player, obviously CDs of the age. Working up then we've got the rear light controls and rear central locking, and then we've got the air conditioning controls as well. All the interior is in lovely order. I don't smoke, I can tell that this van has not been smoked in. Don't have that smell of smoke, but everything about it is in for 17 years old. It's absolutely in really great order. Now I've popped this seat down here so you can see that there's 3 seats in the back. Roof line is all lightly grey, and you've got the vents up there, there's your controls, and then also up here we've got the first aid kit. So as I see in the back there, we've got 6 forward facing seats. These have got the metal plates there, add a little bit of luxury to the vehicle, and again on the driver's side a little bit of luxury as well. So we've got 2 side loading doors, so irrespective of where anybody wants to get out, they can. They're all nice and free. Tiny couple of little dent man dings there, but nothing at all which would detract from the purchase of this vehicle. There you go. Carpeted in the rear as well. So very nice. Bit of a handle missing there that somebody's made that, but that's no problem at all. But yeah, I don't know what more to say than other than I'm quite impressed. A very, very nice car. Now, there's no VAT on this, so if you think about that, it's 20% cheaper. So it's not 12 grand, or whatever it is plus the VAT. But yeah, what a wonderful vehicle. So nicely finished off. We've got 9 seats, alloys, colour-coded, privacy glass, full leather seats, air conditioning. Give us a call if you're interested here in Wigan. I'm Graham. There's Dom and Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.